This is a project about the biomechanics of a three-point basketball shot. My name is Lincoln Hu.
My name is Harrison Kai. So, the optimal conditions for performing a three-point basketball shot rely on the velocity in the x and y directions. A preferred angle of release is anywhere between 45 to 55 degrees, which is shown on the diagram towards the left. This can only be achieved through the utilization of the different muscles in your arm and also good form. The tricep muscle extends the elbow joint that acts as a fulcrum, creating effort and pushing the basketball into the hoop. The diagram on the left shows an example of a third-class lever action, where the red arrows represent the tricep muscle acting on the basketball, propelling it in a certain direction. The image on the right shows how this action would look like on a person.
In this graph, blue represents the angle of our elbow joint when having proper form, and red represents the angle of our elbow joint when we didn't have proper form. As you can see, having a larger elbow joint angle means improper form. Having an angle of the elbow joint in between 60 to 65 degrees means proper form. The uses of your quad and calf muscles allow you to jump when making a shot, adding that extra velocity and power in the y direction. Not having that extra power and velocity can mess with the trajectory of the ball, which may allow you to miss your shot. Over here, in this graph, blue represents the knee joint angle with actual data values, aka improper form, and red represents the knee joint angle with theoretical values, aka proper form. Having a lower knee joint angle of around 110 degrees means proper form, and anything higher than that is improper form.
So, this is a comparison between a person's form who could use improvement versus someone who actually has good form. The person on the left has the ball very far forward and lower than it should have been. This gives them plenty of velocity in the x direction, but a lack of it in the y direction. The person on the right has the ball much higher and closer to his midline, giving him the perfect balance and velocity to make a three-point shot.
In order to improve form, you could keep the ball closer to your center of gravity and making sure the ball is released on top of you instead of in front of you. But in reality, there is no shortcut to perform a better three-pointer shot if you are already following the rules and methods to perform one, but practicing more often and getting used to the form required to shoot a three-pointer shot will obviously show better results. And thank you for watching.